Good morning, champions. Good morning. I want to talk to you guys about how to start winning the money game. You got to realize that we're in the game of money. But in order for you to win the money game, you got to understand something. You got to be in the solution business. You know, so many people talk about problems. They talk about what's going wrong. They're going about what's not happening for them. But you got to start being a person that thinking about what's happening for you. Think about the solutions. I don't want to hear about no problems. I hear people talk about their problems with no solutions. They don't give no conclusion to the resolution that they're trying to find. But they find everything that is wrong. Don't do it. Focus on the solutions. Be a solution talker. Be a solution seeker. Don't talk about the problems. You're giving that shit life. Talk about your solutions. Solutions, no problems. All right?